Hi friends, it's your buddy Matt, the Global Ergonomist for Tamiki Ergonomics, with another episode of Everyday Ergo. Now this one is where we wrap up these last few sessions where cognitive ergonomics and organizational ergonomics overlap each other, something I like to call global ergonomics. What we mean by this whole process comes down to digital ergonomics. I told you I was going to add another layer, and here's what we mean. You know, nowadays many of us, not all, but many of us have multiple devices to work with. We may have a big honkin' desktop computer with multiple monitors we can use in our office. We may have a laptop computer that's as strong as old desktop computers. We may have a tablet CPU computer that's as strong as old laptops, and we might have a smartphone that's as powerful as old tablets. You get the idea. Because of Moore's law, we're always increasing our capabilities in the digital realm. Well, stop and think about it. Nowadays, we have wireless capabilities. We have multiple devices. We've got cloud synchronization, which means the old physical ergonomics of monitor height at eye level or 15 degrees below and 90-degree bend in the elbows and all that stuff, not to mention very expensive chairs, that's still with us, but it's not supreme anymore. We have more movement capabilities. We have spatial capabilities, temporal capabilities, focal capabilities, and digital capabilities. So one last time, if you remember our Eisenhower Decision Matrix, made famous by Stephen Covey, the author, well, we had that horizontal axis, and from left to right, anything to the left was important, anything to the right wasn't. We had the vertical axis. Anything up was urgent, anything down wasn't. That gives us 4 quadrants. And quadrant 1 in the upper left-hand corner is going to be our important tasks. These are the things we need the most focal capability, the most cognitive real estate to get accomplished. So again, to walk through our example, we might use that big honkin' desktop computer with all of its multi-monitor capabilities first thing in the morning in a private office with the door closed. Then, say 8 to 10 o'clock is over in the morning, and now we go to the break room with our laptop. It's more of a social setting. We don't need as much cognitive heavy lifting. These are urgent tasks according to the upper right-hand quadrant, but not important. So we use a laptop in a break room by 10 to 12 noon. Now it's lunchtime, we go to lunch. We come back from lunch, say 1 o'clock. We're down in quadrant 3. These are important tasks, they're just not urgent. We got those done in the morning. Now we use the tablet computer. We may find ourselves in a conference room, someplace quiet enough to do some deep work, but not anything like we did the first thing in the morning. Once we've got that done, let's say it's 1 to 3, from 3 to 5, all we've got is our mop-up duty, lower right-hand quadrant, not urgent, not important. We knock those out with our smartphone. Maybe we're doing some texts, maybe we're setting up some appointments, maybe we're doing a quick email, but you get the idea. We've accomplished all of the tough stuff. And that's how these layers of global ergonomics fit to one another. To realize this decision matrix is nothing more than a prioritization tool. And by using it, we use the best of our influences in the best setting. That's what global ergonomics is. And that's what we call multivariate, combinatorial, and integrated. And by integrating all of these components, we wind up with a predictive model for emergent properties and emergent elements, anything that comes our way. So I hope you found this interesting, and if so, please leave your messages below. We love discussing this sort of thing with you. So until next time, this is your global ergonomist, Matt Jeffs, with my buddy Buck, the big yellow lab, reminding you to always ask yourself, what are you working on? Okay? Until next time, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.